pledge that no maiden of this land should go close to my prince Sakosi. My lovely future husband that God kept for me. Not to talk of having interest in him.
Who kill themselves over my son. In fact, I decree and declare now that every maiden in this land have equal opportunity of accessing or marrying my son.
What did you just say?
That is my decision.
If you're even talking about that one, it's not a problem. I'll take her out. Go do makeup on her, fix her nails, fix the kind of hair that you're carrying. She'll be fine.
Amaka will not disappoint me.
Get ready, Charlie. You think I don't know what your father planned? Eh? You think I don't know how the two of you have been trying to melt your way into the palace so that when the prince comes back, he will come for you?
That was what she didn't go. Or you thought she didn't go because she loved you or something? No!
You see, King Solomon, who was the wisest king, was married to 300 wives and had 700 concubines. So if I decide to toe the line of King Solomon, will I be wrong?
All those kind of madness that you cannot cure in the psychiatric home. He needs mountain of fire prayer and then pure talent.
She's already going mad because she made a charm against a prince that backfired.
What?
This is not a good picture, Steve.